Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. So today I have my iPhone 10 and somehow I managed to get a crack right here. You can see it right in the screen. It's right near the camera, but it is not interfering with it. So I don't want that crack to get worse. So what I bought here is a Windshield Repair Kit. And it comes with this little repair kind of glue silicone. And there's also some videos online that people use super glue. I think this is just stronger. It's going to last longer and it's going to be more clear. So you're going to need this, and it's basically a clear curing thing. It's going to go over it, and then I'm going to sit it in the sun for 10-15 minutes, and then you can take a razor here and then razor off any excess. I just don't want that crack to get worse. So let's go through and do that. So I'm going to cut this open. And I'm going to try to get as little as I can on here, so I'm going to try to just attach it, apply it to this. So as you can see, with the clear glass down, it finally beat it in there. So now what we need to do is put it in the sun. There you go. So now we have that crack sealed, protected, and it shouldn't expand anymore. And it doesn't look that bad actually. And actually, when I feel it, I don't feel it anymore, like as far as my finger. All right, guys. Hope you like the video.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.